Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to scale your design all size. So let's start the video. First of all, I go to Figma plugin and then select scale plugin. I already installed this plugin. If you need a scale plugin, so you can search in Figma community. I share the scale plugin link on description. I need 1920 screen size. My screen size 1440. So I increase the size 1920 and again select scale plugin. I just type with 1920 and then click on resize button. My design increase 1920. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel if you want to see a new videos from me.